Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I'm just sharing you the shop that I bought these molds from because I often get a question that from where I did bought these molds. So I just showed you. So today is going to be a bit relaxing sort of video, and these are two bunnies, cute bunnies, and I think this is the start of the Easter, and I will be making some Easter decor with the resin. So starting off with something really small and cute. I just love the look of these bunnies. They are so cute. So what I'm doing here is I have just mixed my resin and I'm pouring a thin layer of resin into the mold here. And after that I will be using my heat gun to avoid any bubbles if I have. And with the help of a popsicle stick, I will be just removing any bubbles that are trapped into the corner. So the fun element that I'm going to add to these bunnies are this bunny tail. Yeah, these are bunnies, so I thought why not add bunny tails. So I will be adding these into the bunnies here. So these will be acting as a body. Just soft and fluffy like a bunny. So first one is gone inside and you can see how lovely it looks already. Just cutting the excess stem. So today's video is going to be really simple, and it's just a simple video just showing you that with tiny details you can create something amazing. No pressure at all, just a relaxing video. So there is not going to be much explanation on what I'm doing because this is a visual video where I'm just adding stuff and you can see what I'm doing here. Tiny details matter. That's something I really always discuss about. And this one is going into this bunny. So I'm going to move this one a little bit to the side. And now it's time to add the tiny flowers. So these are the tiny flower I bought some time, and I always thought that where I'm going to use these. So today is the day I will be using these flowers, and making these bunnies were relaxing and therapeutic. I selected each color of the flower, add one by one to the bunnies so they come together. So I put all of them out and now I am selecting the colors. So this bunny is going to be on the white color scheme theme, and the other one is going to be a bit on the tea pink color. So one by one I'm picking the flower and adding them to the body. So here I will be just adding the flower and you just enjoy the process. And after that I am adding a foil, and so to the pink one I am adding a copper foil, and to the white one I will be adding a golden foil. So I'm just going with the color scheme here. And now I'm adding some tiny pearls into the white one. So the white pearls are going to the white one, and to the pink one I will be adding some pink pearls. And after that I will be filling up the mold. At this time my resin is getting a bit thick, so my flowers are not moving that much. So I'm just doing a full top coat. And after that I will leave these to dry, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. I had some leftover resin, so I used the bird also. So to the bird I added a feather at the side, and then I added the flowers the same way I did to the bunnies. So this is how the bird looked like. With some pearls and those flowers, everything turned out to be so beautiful and delicate. And now it's time to remold the bunnies. I'm super excited to see how they look like from the other side. Oh my god, so pretty, so cute. I just love them. Already I was so in love with this mold because this is a unique mold. You can't find these sort of molds everywhere in the market. And this is the other one. Such a cute look. So I really love how they turned out. I'm going to say this really again and again, but I do and you do. Please let me know in comments also. So now it's time to add a little bit of detail. So I will be doing a back coat, and then I will be adding some bills. Now it's really up to you if you want to turn them into necklaces, keychains, or for I was just seeing them and they were looking really cute. If you want to make them as a car hang. So there are so many things, or otherwise you can just, they can stand on their own, so you can just put them as a figurines also. And also any color you like to add, it's really up to you. And after putting the back coat, I will be putting the bills, and then it will go under the UV lamp. And doing the same to the other one also. So they all went under the UV resin and they are done now. This was a small, but it took me some time to add all the flowers. So this is the final look of the bunnies here. So all in all, they turned out to be really beautiful. I just love them. So please do let me know in comments what you think about them, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.